I'm getting this couple playing a very strategically game, so they can do all kind of the fraud, all kind of fraud, everything by using somebody other identity, this female. So whenever they are going to catch up, this other female going to catch up. It's also going to expose the other females not connected to these people. There's no connected to this dynamic. If she was the real wife of this man, there's no any connection anymore, I'm getting. Okay, so yes, strategy they are going to expose for this. And it's going to expose as well काफ़ी सब evidence is female के against already मिल चुके हैं, I'm getting already filed, it's completed, or it's going to drop on the some kind of table regarding this female, or she cannot run if she try to, I'm getting because इसने जो भी purchase किया, she used somebody identity to purchase a high amount of things on it. Some kind of fraud she did, some kind of business fraud, because she was claiming she can do something better than the real person do in their life. She's a very arrogant female, I'm getting. This male also get arrogant. This couple is very arrogant, or their arrogance is going to give them some kind of the lesson here. Very, very terrible lesson they are going to learn through their actions, I'm getting. Okay, I'm getting यहाँ पे कोई pregnancy stunt खेला गया था कि जो real person is the pregnant, but I'm getting it's not the case. Actually she was the pregnant, or she wanted to use somebody identity so she can born this child. So that's why they use some kind of the pregnancy stunt here as well. Or I'm getting it's going to very expose very, very terribly, or she's going to lost everything she wanted to create on somebody identity. And also some kind of the credit, they are trying to use somebody credit, or some kind of mess up the other person credit, because they are using somebody identity. They do not care what kind of the buying and what kind of they are doing on other person identity, using their credits and all stuff, because they are forged documents. She forged sign a lots of the time, I'm getting 7 to 8 time. Now she's going to catch up by this. Some kind of car also involved here, car name on somebody identity name. She did not have this real identity to have this car. I don't know, take the resume, leave the rest, but I don't know. But this couple is going to expose and going to jail for sure, because lots of the crime is included here. They used it by other person, they can frame them. Okay.